Helo, neu fel ni'n dweud yng Nghymru, tynnwch lun ohona I fel un o'ch merched Ffrengig. In this mile-a-minute world of ours, it's important to tell yourself, I can do it. I can do it! I can! I can! But in Welsh, there are two ways of saying this. Dwi'n gallu a dwi'n medru. So gadewch ni edrych ar medru. Now mae medru yn meddwl can or able to. So I can swim, dwi'n medru nofio. So far, so simple. Hyd yn hyn, syml iawn. Ond wedyn, mae medrus yn gallu meddwl ingenious, accomplished, capable, resourceful, skillful, able, clever, adept, expert, practice, skilled, hard-headed, adroit, and deft. So, medrus has got a lot on his plate. So dwi'n medru bod yn fedrus, but gallu is also a very hard worker. It can mean can or able to, but it can also refer to talent, ability, or capability. Mae fe'n gallu nofio, he can swim. Mae ganddo fe'r gallu I nofio, he has the ability to swim. A mae fe'n alluog wrth nofio, he is talented at swimming. Mae gen I allu special sy'n meddwl fy mod i'n medru neidio can milltir i'r awyr, a special mile-high talent. Medrus iawn, mae'n rhaid I chi gytuno. Wrth wylio whale shark, mae'n bwysig eich bod chi'n medru defnyddio eich gallu I ddweud pan rydw i'n dweud celwyddau, when I'm telling lies. Celwyddau. So wyddau is related to wyddoch, which comes from gwybod, which is to know. And cel is the ancient druidic Celtic god of dishonesty and citrus fruits, specifically the juice of oranges. So celwyddau literally means Cel knows. So every time the Celts were unsure whether someone was lying, they would have to consult with Cel. Cel, yw e'n wir eich bod chi'n caru sydd oren? Ac fe tebodd, I do, I do, I do who. Mae'n bosib fod y darn olaf yn joke odd sy'n cyfeirio at y sioe Keenan and Kel a wnaeth cwpla tua 13 o flynyddoedd yn ôl. So, joke odd a hefyd un sydd wedi dyddio, a little bit dated. Ond yn mewn cwpl o flynyddoedd, bydd yn retro a felly'n cool. Ond tan yr amser yna, sorry, na I stopio. Whale shark!